Okay, hello, welcome back. Now, meron tayong bagong i-unbox. This is the INGCO circular saw, no? Model number CS185682. This is the 1600 watts model. And I bought this from Shopee. May free siya na 26-in-1 screwdriver bits and screwdriver. Okay, so i-unbox natin. Okay? Okay, this is it. Actually, I haven't got a chance to hold of a circular saw before. This is my first time to have a circular saw. 1,600. That's yan. Okay, open natin. Okay. Sunahin natin yung free. May free na 26-in-1 screwdriver bits. Of course, walang tools na walang manual. Okay. Yung bevel guide, parallel guide niya. This is important sa circular saw. So this is the wrench, ang tanggal sa blade. Okay, the extra carbon brush. So this is the circular saw. Okay, wala na laman. Okay, this is it. And there's a blade already included. It's a 7 1/4 inch na blade. So that's 24 teeth na blade yung kasama nila, okay? And I think this is perfect for me because I'm left-handed. So, okay. Very nice feel. Okay, so this is, I bought this for 2,950. May free siyang yung screwdriver bit, and I decided to buy this sa Shopee because they have a free shipping and they have 10% cashback in coins that you can use on your next purchase. So, kaya ganun. Okay. So this is the blade guard. Very tight spring. Okay. Here, we will try to check the wire. Okay, so this is the wire. That's enough, that's enough. Okay, so an adjustment kasi you can use this to cut 45 degrees. So dito, you just release this and release on the other side. Ayan. Okay, so you can cut 45 degrees. So, ganyan naman siya. Balik natin sa original position niya. And ito at the back, may adjustment niya sa how deep you want the blade to go out. Okay, so ito. Or you can just put it like this. Okay. It's 1.5. You can pull it back. Okay. So again, specs niya, We'll check the specs. The specs is 4,800 RPM, no load speed. No? So, cutting capacity is 45 degrees, 44 mm yung depth niya, and 90 degrees, 65 mm yung depth niya. Okay, so that's it for unboxing, and we will try to test it. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so test natin. Wala kasi ako makapal na plywood, so ito lang. Testing natin. Okay? So, very clean cut. No? How much more if we're going to use the 60 teeth? We'll try to cut a real plywood next time. Okay, so that's it for now. And thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, please like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.